Have you ever lain awake, eyes closed, mind restless, wondering why true sleep feels so hard to reach? What if the secret to your deepest rest wasn't a pill, a mattress, or even meditation, but sound? Not music, not white noise, but precise frequencies, designed to tune your brain like an instrument, into harmony with the rhythms of nature. Welcome to the world of bioacoustics, the science of how sound frequencies influence the body, mind, and even your sleep. In this episode, we'll explore how your brain responds to sound, what makes frequencies like 432 Hz or 528 Hz so special, and how you can use them to unlock deeper, more restorative rest every single night. Sound isn't just something we hear, it's something we feel. Every vibration, every wave of sound interacts with our nervous system, our cells, and even our brainwaves. Bioacoustics is the study of how these vibrations affect living systems. It began decades ago when researchers noticed that certain frequencies could influence everything from heartbeat to hormone release. At its core, it's about resonance, the natural phenomenon where one vibration causes another to vibrate in harmony. Your brain, as it turns out, loves harmony. When external sound waves align with your brain's natural frequencies, something extraordinary happens. Your brain entrains, it synchronizes, and begins to mirror those rhythms. This process, known as brainwave entrainment, is the foundation of sound-based sleep therapy. Your brain operates in waves, not random but precise electrical rhythms that reflect your state of mind. Beta waves, 1330 Hz. Active, alert, analytical. Alpha waves, 8 to 13 Hz. Relaxed awareness. The gentle calm before sleep. Theta waves, 4-8 Hz. Deep meditation and light sleep. Delta waves, 0.54 Hz. Profound, dreamless sleep, where true restoration begins. When we're stuck in beta, stressed, scrolling, overstimulated, we can't descend naturally into theta or delta. That's where bioacoustic frequencies come in by introducing sound waves at specific intervals. Known as binaural beats or isochronic tones, we can guide the brain downward, gently coaxing it into the rhythms of deep sleep. Think of it as tuning a musical instrument. Only this time, the instrument is your mind. So how does this tuning really work? When you hear two slightly different frequencies, say 200 Hz in one ear and 210 Hz in the other, your brain doesn't hear two separate tones. It perceives a third sound, a rhythmic pulse of 10 Hz, exactly the difference between them. That pulse becomes an internal metronome, aligning your brain's electrical activity with that beat. In sleep therapy, frequencies around 3 to 5 Hz are often used to promote delta waves, the frequency of deep, dreamless sleep. A 2022 study from the Journal of Sleep Research found that participants who listened to a low-frequency binaural beats before bed experienced increased slow-wave sleep and woke up feeling more refreshed. Other research at Stanford showed reduced anxiety and improved sleep onset within just a week of consistent use. In other words, your brain learns to follow the rhythm, and that rhythm can lead you straight into sleep. Sleep is just one part of the story. Sound has been used for healing for thousands of years, from Tibetan singing bowls to Aboriginal didgeridoos. Modern science now confirms what ancient traditions knew intuitively. Vibration affects biology. Certain frequencies, like 432 Hz, often called the natural resonance of the Earth, and 528 Hz, known as the DNA repair tone, have been shown to reduce stress hormones and promote cellular regeneration. Bioacoustic therapy uses this principle to support everything from chronic pain management to emotional balance. But when applied to sleep, these frequencies help reset the nervous system, lowering cortisol, calming the vagus nerve, and restoring equilibrium between body and mind. Imagine your entire being, brain, heart, breath, synchronizing with a peaceful rhythm that says, "You can rest now." Ready to try it yourself? Here's a simple way to bring bioacoustics into your nightly routine. Create your environment. Dim the lights. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Find a calm, dark space. Choose your sound. Use high-quality headphones or a small speaker. Search for binaural beats between 2 Hz and 5 Hz, or recordings labeled 432 Hz deep sleep or 528 Hz healing. Lie down and listen. Focus on your breath as the sounds wash over you. Don't try to sleep. Let your body follow the rhythm. Stay consistent. Listen nightly for at least 10-15 minutes. Over time, your brain learns the pattern and enters deep sleep more easily, even without the sound. Optional tip: combine it with slow breathing, 4-7-8 pattern, to enhance relaxation. We're standing at the edge of a new frontier in sleep science, where sound becomes medicine. As research continues, we may see personalized sleep soundscapes, tuned to your unique brainwave profile. Imagine AI systems monitoring your sleep patterns in real time and adjusting frequencies dynamically to keep you in the optimal restorative zone. But until that future arrives, one simple truth remains timeless. Nature's oldest healer, vibration, still speaks directly to your biology. And sometimes, the deepest peace doesn't come from silence, but from sound. If this message resonated with you, try a night of sound-guided rest. Let your brain remember what deep sleep feels like, because in the end, peace isn't found, it's tuned. Good night.